I'm Jessica Walker and I'm here to bring you some of the biggest talking points from the world of crypto and blockchain. So hit the subscribe button to make sure you're up to date with our weekly videos. We'll now be taking a look at the crypto king as a new Bitcoin hash rate milestone approaches. Well, Bitcoin has held its position above the $10,000 for 1 week, and Bitcoin dominance has been on the rise and now stands at 69.7% market dominance. 24-hour traded volume stands at just over $17 billion for Bitcoin. We're now moving on to take a closer look at some of the other largest cryptos. Ethereum is standing at just over $180, and in a similar movement to Bitcoin, price action has been minimal. This also applies to Ripple's XRP. Now, excitement is brewing for the king of crypto as a new milestone is fast approaching. Bitcoin hash rate has reached a new record of 94 quintillion hashes per second. It's now set to reach 100 quintillion for the first time in Bitcoin's history. Max Kaiser took to Twitter 3 days ago to state big price burst is up for Bitcoin now to catch up to the huge gains in hash rate. So we want to hear some of your price predictions. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. JPMorgan has a new index called the Volfefe Index, which measures Trump's tweets and their impact on bond volatility. So let's take a look if Trump's tweets have any direct impact on crypto price movement. JPMorgan's index comes after the US president has had a busy August, tweeting on China and trade wars and the US and interest rates. Well, the index has been named after Trump's infamous Volfefe tweet. Since Donald Trump's inauguration, he still has been positive for the stock market overall. The Dow Jones is up 31% since January of 2017. Well, in July of this year, Trump vocalized his opinion on crypto, but has Trump's Twitter impacted the crypto king? On the day of Trump's inauguration, 1 Bitcoin was $898, which means to date the price has risen over 1,000% since then. But let's take a look at some of his recent tweets. Well, on the 12th of July 2019, Trump tweeted out, "I'm not a fan of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies." The price remained little changed at around $11,400, increasing a few hundred in the initial hours following the tweet. On the 6th of September, Trump took to Twitter again, stating the Fed should lower rates and asked his 64 million followers, "Where did I find this guy Jerome?" referring to the chairman of the Federal Reserve. Interestingly, the price remained stable for the immediate hours after the tweet, and there was a slight drop in price from the crypto around $400 4 hours following. Well, cryptographer Adam Back took to Twitter a few months ago, stating that Trump is actually bullish for Bitcoin, generally because his media tactics wobble geopolitical uncertainty. Thanks for all the dollars flowing into Bitcoin. So is Trump bullish for Bitcoin, and are you watching his tweets closely? Share your thoughts in the comments below.